Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I will solve this time machine Rubik's cube parity. So in this cube, when we solve our complete cube, we can face one kind of parity in our last portion. For example, if we check our cube from this green side, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 11, so this is our parity. We need to replace these two p's. 11 we need to fix on this position, 12 we need to fix on this side. So this is very simple and very easy parity, and we have no need any new kind of algorithm. We will just apply our previous and soon algorithm, I mean our cuboid algorithm, and our parity will be solved. We just need to apply our cuboid algorithm 7 or 8 times. Okay, so any two numbers that we can replace to each other. In my cube I have parity with 12 and 11. Sometime we can face parity with 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 5 and 6. So any two numbers that, and sometime we cannot face our this kind of parity. But when we find this kind of parity, so we can solve very easily. So first step, place these two numbers that we need to replace to each other. Place on this position, I mean one rotating number we will place in 10 position, second we will place in 11 position. If we count from this position 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11, so these two numbers that we need to replace, so we will place on this position, then hold like that, and we will apply our previous and soon algorithm. R2 U, R2 D prime, R2 U, R2 U prime, R2 U prime, down R2. One time we have apply algorithm, just rotate U on this top side, I mean from this side we will focus. Okay, so we will just apply U, and now again we will apply same algorithm, R2 U, R2 D prime, R2 U, R2 U prime, R2 U prime D, R2. Second time we have complete our algorithm, and now we will find in this position. So in my cube I have found 2, so any one number we can find on this position. So in my case I have find 2. Now we will just travel over this piece, we will ignore our this remaining cube. Every time we will place 2 on this position, apply our cuboid algorithm, and every time we will rotate our this number, and our parity will be solved. I think 5 times we need to apply our algorithm. So let's see, hold it like that, so just focus on this number. So in my cube I have 2, so I will just travel this 2, R2 U, R2 D prime, R2 U, R2 U prime, R2 U prime D, R2. So we have 2 on this position, again place on this side, and again we will apply our same algorithm. So every time we will apply our same algorithm, and we will just travel over this piece. So once again we have travel, so again place on this position, and again apply R2 U, R2 down prime, R2 U, R2 U prime, R2 U prime down, R2. Again we have travel, again place on this position, R2 U R2 D prime R2 U R2 U prime R2 U prime D R2. Again we will place on this position, and this time we will apply our algorithm and our parity will be solved. R2 U R2 D prime R2 U R2 U prime R2 U prime D R2. And now we can see we have replaced our these two numbers, and our parity we have solved 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So very simple and very easy parity. Just focus in our mind, place these two numbers that we need to swap on this position 10 and 11 place. Apply cuboid algorithm, then only apply U. Again apply cuboid algorithm and find any one number that we have on this position. So just travel this number on its proper position and our parity will be solved. So if you like my video, so please do comment, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.